Have you ever tried using AI but didn't get the results you expected? The problem isn't always the AI, sometimes it's the way we use it. Here are 5 common AI mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. The first mistake is giving AI very short prompts. Instead of saying, write a Facebook post, try saying, write a friendly Facebook post about free AI tools for beginners. Make it engaging and end with a question. The more details you give, the better the result. The second mistake is copying AI responses without editing them. Always read through the content, add your own style, and make it sound like you. That's what makes your content unique. The third mistake is relying on just one AI tool. Different AI tools are good at different things. One might be better for writing, another for image creation, and another for video editing. The fourth mistake is expecting AI to do everything for you. AI is a powerful assistant, but your creativity, ideas, and personal experience are what make great content. The fifth mistake is giving up too quickly. Like any skill, using AI gets easier with practice. The more you use it, the better your prompts and results will become. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy AI tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.